I had planned a routine schedule on how to work on my compound. Today I want to continue on where I left. I'll start with watering my indoor plants. As I was watering my indoor plants, I saw these ants just outside. And normally when I see them, I will bring salt and just pour some salt so that I can scatter them around. Normally they will disappear when you pour salt on them. Some people do pour paraffin when they see them around. They are a menace, especially during rainy season, and when they stink you, it is very painful. You will never know how they get into your body. The last time I was working, this is what I did. And today, I want to take this other side of the flower bed. This is the area that I am going to work on. I'll take it up to the end. My working tools today is this small djembe. It's more easier to work with it. And then with a slasher, I'll be slashing a bit. And with my normal broom. The small djembe is always easier to work with because it's easier to carry and I can use my one hand working and maybe the other hand picking anything around that I don't want around the flowers. So as I continue working, I've just started. So I've made a corner and I will continue doing the flowers or tending to the flowers until I get to the end. Since there's grass around the flowers, that's why I took the slasher so that I can slash a bit of the grass around them. The sun is not really out, but it's coming out now. And then after that, I started sweeping after slashing and pruning the flowers. I want to make it more cleaner. So I'm now sweeping the area. After that, we are going to see the work that I have done. This is now what I've done today. And you can see the area, how it is clean. On the flower bed, I had pruned the whole area, slashed the grass a bit, and even swept everything around. This is the part that I did the other time. And I've also made a walkway. This is just a walkway going at the back of the compound. You can see how the flowers now look like. They look so neat. And there's a lot of rain around, so they are going to do so well now. This is the walkway that I've made to the back side. And you can see how it looks like. This type of work is like an exercise to me. Every morning I'll find something to do before I go to the bathroom and take my breakfast. My schedule didn't go so well. I'll see what to do next week. I'll start on this front side, then I will go out to the gate. I like the place, how it looks like now, very neat. And I'm now just enjoying the area, how neat it is and how beautiful it looks with the flowers around the place. Then come on Thursday when I woke up, there was a lot of wind the previous day and it scattered leaves around my compound. So I decided the first thing I'm going to do is to pick the leaves around the compound. Normally when it rains with a lot of wind, leaves will scatter around the compound and I will always pick them. So this is the work I'm going to do today. And my schedule is going to be shifted up to next week because rain is also too much. Sometimes it rains in the morning and sometimes in the evening, and then it rains in the morning. Sometimes it will rain the whole night. I'm nearly finishing picking the leaves around. And after I've completed picking the leaves, I'm going to take them at the back of the compound. There is a corner that I'd made where I will always deposit the leaves or the grass. It's a compost heap. This is where I'll always take them. Meanwhile, Jose was around and he was now tending to the fence on the inside part. He has started the inside part today. He completed the whole of it the other day. Yesterday he didn't come, but today he's around. So he is doing the inner part of the fence. You know, with kayaba or the fence, you must tend to it so that they don't grow wild. When you leave them, you don't tend to them, they will grow like trees. So this is what Jose is doing today. Okay, with me, I think I've completed everything. I've picked the leaves and the compound now looks clean. I will go inside as normal so that I go and make breakfast, have my bath, make breakfast. And let's see what is going to happen next week. Thank you, my beautiful viewers, for being with me. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel if you are new here. And don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Let us meet on my next video.